Hello everyone, welcome back to Purls Crafts. I am Amanda, and today we're going to learn how to correct our knit and purl stitches if we've made a mistake in our knitting. Alright, so here on our left hand needle we have 3 knit stitches in a row. We need to fix this center one to be a purl stitch. This is the one that's wrong. So what we're going to slide our stitches over towards the tip of our needle. We're going to loop this one off. I like to catch it as if I'm going to go backwards. So I will pull my yarn out like so. This is the stitch that we're looping off here. Now, because we need it to be a purl stitch, I need it to go into the front. So I'm going to pull it across the front of this stitch that we just unhooked everything from. And so now I'm going to take my right hand needle, insert it into the extra one that we now need to go ahead and purl. I'm going to bring my needle around and catch it through the front like so. And so then when we loop it off, now it's a purl stitch. See that there? Now we have our bump there in the middle, and that is now a purl stitch. So we're going to put this back onto the left hand needle. Should go the other way. So we're going to put it back on so that we have our leg here on the front. And now for the next one, we have 3 purl stitches in a row to give us, again, our mistake, which we're going to fix. And now the second one is the one that's incorrect. So we're gonna go ahead and correct this stitch. So it right now is a purl, so we want to go ahead and make it a knit stitch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to insert my right needle into the loop it off of our needle, catch the yarn from below, and pull it off out of that loop that we're undoing at this point, okay? So now I'll transfer it over to my left hand needle, take the loop up over top, so very similar to the one that we just fixed with the purls, and I'm gonna insert my needle down and around that piece of yarn that we need to correct for, and then loop everything off. And now again, I have my knit stitch on the row, and we can go back onto that left hand needle, and now we can purl. Okay, if you guys need to see that again, go ahead and rewind the video, watch that again, and that is how we fix a knit and a purl stitch when we've done them incorrectly. We can do it if it's a couple of rows back. That's basically the same thing. We're just gonna undo each stitch as we are, moving back down into the rows below. That is my simple repair for a mistake in our row. That is it for it today. And if you guys like this video, hit the like button below. Consider hitting subscribe if you enjoyed it. We're doing lots of different knit and crochet videos coming up, including what we're working on here is our seed stitch hat pattern. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This one will be posted very shortly. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. We'll see you next time.